making a washer, a close duplicate to this. That's my pattern, and just making this a little bigger on purpose. Touch to see how hot it is. Okay, it's cooled enough. All right, now. All right, there we have it. I made that bigger on purpose here. So let's go check it out, see how it fits. All right. Okay, now get this other one screwed on. Okay, now the threads here on this all thread is a M6 1.0. Okay, now there you go. Now I can hold the screw here with my finger and then tighten up the nut with the other hand. All right, but the threading on this all thread is an M6 1.0. Just in case you don't have them long enough, if they don't come stock long enough, you can see that's barely long enough there. I'll have to cinch that down and get that tighter. There is the stock ones. There is a Phillips head hit in the set end at the end of these, but if you have to make your own, there isn't. And I had a video I put up yesterday, but I just made this hold down giant washer. The notch here is for the water lines that are coming through, okay? And generally the hole isn't this big. It's a smaller hole, okay? So these notches in this is so that the water lines fit, and that's why it's like that. But that's one I just made using a grinder and a fine blade. All right, home improvement tips. Look forward to hear from you. Save for a future.